Hey, this is Linus, what's up? As you know, Huawei has recently launched the P20 series phones. I was really impressed with them, especially with the P20 Pro. I made detailed reviews of each phone and I will leave all the links down below the video. When I reviewed the P20 devices, I said that the EMUI has grown on me after a while. I know it's a lot different than stock Android and you may find it confusing at first, but it actually has become one of my favorite non-stock Android user interface thanks to great overall performance and plenty of features. One of the features I wanted to talk about today is the Huawei Mobile Cloud, which was actually launched at the same time as the P20 and the P20 Pro. In order to use the service, you need to log in with your Huawei ID, and it takes just a second to do that. As the name implies, you can back up your phone's data to the cloud so you won't lose it if your phone gets lost, stolen, or damaged. In fact, the phone does that automatically for you on a regular basis, or you can do that manually yourself. You can choose the data you want to be backed up. It can be everything including your gallery, contacts, messages, memos, recordings, settings, weather, clock, camera, and other apps, or just the data you want. Cloud Album is a part of Huawei Mobile Cloud and it automatically uploads your pictures to the cloud so you can access them from any device anywhere. Just like on most cloud services, you can edit the files and the changes will be saved across all devices you use automatically. Having all the pictures and videos synced in the cloud, it really helps manage storage space on the device. In addition, you can be rest assured that you'll not lose your calendar events, Wi-Fi settings, number blacklist, and other apps or files. The Huawei Mobile Cloud is all about security and privacy. Huawei will use device-to-device encryption to protect data in Huawei Cloud space, identifying by the only security key which is associated with your account. In other words, no one can access your data except you. Your data can be accessed only on devices that you log in with your Huawei ID. Finally, Huawei Mobile Cloud automatically backs your data up and syncs across Huawei smartphones, Huawei tablets, and Huawei laptops with one Huawei ID account. If you use a laptop, you can access your data by visiting cloud.huawei.com. Right off the bat, you get 5 GB of cloud storage for free, and then you can upgrade if you need more. All in all, the Huawei Mobile Cloud is a feature that Huawei phones lacked in the past. I personally use the Google Drive on my other phones, but after using the Huawei Mobile Cloud for quite some time on the P20 and the P20 Pro, Huawei's solution seems to be working seamlessly so far. In other words, it does everything automatically for you once you set it up. What do you guys think about the Huawei Mobile Cloud? If you haven't used this service yet, which cloud services do you use and which data are you afraid to lose the most? It was Linus, thank you for watching, use that comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Again, thank you for watching and see you soon.